How to delete all notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete all notifications on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete all notifications on your iPhone, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then let's say that whenever you swipe down your notification panel, you'll be able to see all these notifications that you received. And now what if you want to remove them? Now if you want to remove them, just tap the cross icon over here. After you tap on it, you'll find the clear button. So all you have to do is tap on the clear button and all your notifications are actually going to get cleared. As you can see right over here, there are no more notifications, and this way you will be able to delete all notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.